Hello guys, today I'm going to explain you about Python scripts, which especially on list, append, edit and delete. Before we go to this one, you need to master about this variable, print and input, okay? Now, guys, if I run this one, what will happen? Let's say I put here is 30 and here I put 20. So what is the final result? Can you guess? Yes, it's an error. Why? Oh, you wonder why. Okay, let me run this one. Put a number, 30, enter, 20. Error! How to do the error checking? Read this one, guys. Name total is not defined. Total is not defined. Then you check this one. Oh, the total here is in lowercase, but this one is in uppercase, guys. So, change this one into a lowercase. Then run it. Now, put 30, put 20. Oh, now it's 50. Guys, you need to be careful when you type because Python is very sensitive. And in this list is even more sensitive, okay? I have given you this year 8 Python script, okay? I have given you the sample. And now let's try to watch this video. And you can do your research. So first is the list. For example, I put here is item, or you can put name or anything like this. Oh wait, I need to do this. Hashtag created by my name. You put your name there. Don't imitate mine. Okay, name equals to, wait, you cannot type like this. Okay, but in list, this is a name list. So I'm going to put the name, let's say AA, BB. Yes, you can put your name, okay, like David or something. Yes, you can do that. But here I just want to simplify everything to explain that one to you, okay? Now, AA, BB, CC, DD, and EE. Now, print name, okay? And when you print the name, the result will be like this. AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, okay? You see the script and you see the result. See the script and see the result on your own. Okay, it will display AA, BB, CC, DD, and EE. Okay? Now, if I change this one, guys, into name with square bracket. Okay, not rounded bracket, but square bracket. Square bracket. Yes, I put here is 1. What will happen to this? If I run this one, mostly students will think, okay, name 1. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It will result AA. No, it's not. The result is BB. Why is it like that, Mr. David? AA is 0. BB is 1. CC is 2. This is 3 and 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we want to put AA there, you can type 0 here. So you can run this one. The result will be AA. Okay? Now, if you print this one like this, you will have the result of AA, BB, CC, DD, and EE. Okay, this one will result AA, BB, and this one will result EE. Okay, you got this one? You can pause this video. Okay, watch it and learn. Okay, now you can also do an indirect printing, such like when I put this one number with Z to look cool. Okay, numbers using Z, numbers 3, and I can change this one into name like this, but I don't put 0 directly like this. I will put indirectly using name numbers. It means here it's just the same with 3. See, number 3, but I'll put it indirectly like this. So what is the result, guys? Can you guess? Is AA, BB, CC, DD, or EE? Yes, it's correct. You are correct. It's DD. Okay? Because it's number 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So it's DD. Now, if I change this one, okay, this is already indirect. Okay, but then if I change this one into an input, so input, put a number. It means I didn't say it's 3, I didn't say it's 0, it's 1, but let the user decides it. Okay? So what will happen if we do this? Can you guess? If I put, let's say, number 0. Can you guess, guys, what will happen if I put the number there, I put 0 and enter? No, it's error. Why? See, put a number, I put 0 here, error. Mr. David, why this one is error? You see this one, input, put a number. Here, when you put something, okay, you put here is 0. Obviously, this 0 will have a quotation mark. Okay? Anything, any input will have this quotation mark. So, you need to change this one into a real number, which is 0. Okay? It means you use integer, correct? So, numbers here, I will put as an integer of numbers like this. Okay? And then, let's run this one. Okay? It will change from the 0 with quotation mark to a real 0. Now, let's run this one. See? Put a number, 0. And it's AA, as we guess. Okay? It will show AA. Now, running this one more time, I will put here is 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want to have a DD, so I will put 3 here. Yes, it's DD. Okay? Now, you can pause this one, learn this one. Okay? If you want to simplify this one into one line, so you can change this one, cut this one, and put it here. Okay, it will have the same result. So put a number, I put 4, it's an EE. Okay? Now, I want to put something which is a bit advanced, okay, using for. It's a loop, okay. So, to explain about for, I need to remove all of this one first, okay. So, This one. Okay, now guys, see this one. If I put here is 4, okay, 4. Guys, read this one, okay? I have given all of the script, okay? So you can make a research, okay? You see, 4 has to be typed using 4 A in a range 5. So let's test that one out. 4, let's say cow, okay, in range. Why did Mr. David put cow here? He didn't put A like the sample. This one can be anything, guys. Okay? For cow in range 3. Okay? Then press enter. You will see there is a tab here automatically. And I will type here print. Let's say globe, for example, and then run. Here you will find globe, globe, globe. Okay? Because this print globe, okay, will be run for 3 times. You see? 3 times. It will run 3 times. Now, why did we need to put cow here? Okay, why do we need to put cow here? Let's say I'm putting this one as cow, comma, globe. And I run this one. It will say 0 globe, 1 globe, 2 globe. Okay, because it's starting from 0. Although it's 3 times, it will never reach 3. Because 0, 1, 2. It means 3 times starting from 0. But if you want to put this one as 1, 2, 3, it means you should put cow plus 1. Okay? And we run this one. See? It's 1 globe, 2 globe, and 3 globe. Okay. Now, for the last part, okay, before we close this video, I'm going to show you this one. Name equals to AA. Okay, because I want to close this video. Just wait, guys. Hang with me. Be patient. DD and EE. This is the last one, guys. Okay. Now, remember that if I print this one, name 1 here, it will print BB. Remember that one? Name 1 is BB, right? Now, I'm going to put this one inside of the print. Print name 1. But I'm going to change this one cow because cow is going to be changed into 0, 1, 2. So I put here print name cow and run. See? AA, BB, CC. So it will go 3 times. Print name cow 0, print name cow 1, print name 2. So print name 0, print name 1, print name. See? This one is len. So, what do we do in the len? Actually, len is counting for how many elements inside of the list. So here, I will type how many equals to len, okay? And rounded bracket, you put here as a name. So here, I print how many? Okay, and put this how many inside here. So it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will count 5. So this how many will say 5. Okay, now let's run this one. And this you will see name like this. How many? How many is 5, so it will print how many? It will result 5. And then after that, for cow in range 5, how many is 5? 5 members, guys. Print AA, BB, CC, DD, and EE. Okay? That's all for today, guys.